Anxiety disorders are the most common mental health problems. Everyone experiences stress and anxiety at some point in their lives. This is a common reaction to life events like taking final exam, speaking in front of a crowd, and so on. What triggers anxiety in one person may not trigger the same in someone else. For example, someone gets anxiety about social situations, whereas someone else gets anxiety about heights. Also, due to the scale of anxiety experienced, everyone's perspective of anxiety is different. For some, anxiety means a little worry lurking in the background, a kind of uneasy feeling. For others, anxiety may refer to something intense, such as continuous worry and fear about daily activities, panic attacks, and other quite unsettling and uncomfortable emotions. No matter which type of anxiety disorder we have or where we are on the scale, this course, the technique which we follow in this course, will work for us. This course is about creating mental clarity and peace by distancing from the anxiety. Our long term goal is changing our experience of anxiety, changing our perspective of it. It is not about trying to get rid of anxiety. There is no way we can get rid of anxiety. It is one of the fundamental emotions which we have got. It is part of a healthy human being. Sometimes we need it. It is important. It is only when it starts to become quite troublesome, when we start to have anxiety in the areas of our life where it is not required, where it is not helpful, and where it starts to become quite destructive. That is really the starting point, when we become so overwhelmed with anxiety that we can't even manage our day to day or minute to minute life. We stress about things that are about to happen or might happen, and our muscles starts to get tensed. Breath shortens, heart starts to beat fast, and other physical symptoms starts to appear. We then try to avoid situations that trigger or increase our anxiety. With anxiety, we can't really focus on where we are or with whom we are. So it is not something that only troubles us. It also affects people around us, our friends and family. So again, this course is not about getting rid of anxiety. It is about changing and mastering our experience with anxiety, being at ease with it, being okay with anxiety when it arises in the mind, so that we don't get caught into it or try to push it away. Namaste. My name is Sandeep. I have learned under various traditional monasteries across different schools of thoughts, and along with many national and international certificates, I have masters in yoga and meditation. Now with Nivritti, I'm trying to adapt what I have learned to modern needs and share it so that everyone can experience joy within. I will be your guide in this course. Throughout the course, I will be available to answer all your questions. I'll meet you in your first session. Namaste.